What is the history behind homeostasis discovery? Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine that keeps running smoothly no matter what the weather is like outside. That's what homeostasis is all about. The story of how we learned about this balancing act starts in the 1800s with a French scientist named Claude Bernard. He noticed that the internal environment of living organisms stays pretty constant, even when the outside world changes. He called this the milieu intérieur, or internal environment. Bernard observed that things like blood temperature and sugar levels stay within narrow limits, which is vital for cells to survive and work properly. Later, in 1926, an American physiologist named Walter Bradford Cannon took Bernard's ideas further. He came up with the word homeostasis to describe how the body naturally resists changes to keep everything stable. Cannon explained that the body has built-in systems that work together to maintain steady conditions, like temperature, pH levels, and fluid balance. He wrote about this in his book called The Wisdom of the Body, which helped spread the idea that our bodies are constantly adjusting to stay balanced. As scientists continued to study, they realized the brain plays a big role in managing homeostasis. In the 1930s, Joseph Barcroft pointed out that the brain helps organize these processes to support higher functions like thinking and feeling. Over time, scientists also introduced the idea of setpoints, which are the ideal ranges for things like body temperature or blood pressure. Feedback mechanisms, like sensors and control centers, then work to keep these variables within the desired range. All these discoveries built a picture of homeostasis as a dynamic system. It's not just about keeping things the same but about constantly adjusting to external changes. This understanding is fundamental in anatomy and physiology because it explains how our bodies maintain balance and keep us alive and healthy. Without homeostasis, our cells and organs wouldn't be able to perform their jobs properly, and we wouldn't survive in a changing environment. So, the story of homeostasis is really about how living things have evolved complex ways to stay stable, no matter what happens outside.